All right. Good day. I am from Global Ace Agency here in Malaysia and I am the Filipino recruiter. I receive verify data from Bright Star Agency in the Philippines. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a 100% willing to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
No,
Do
I
you
don't
have
have.
do you have tattoos in your skin?
I don't have.
Are you healthy or do you have any health issues in your body?
I'm healthy.
All right, our interview this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Is this your first time working abroad?
No, before I worked in Saudi Arabia for 4 years.
Okay, so why did you choose to come and work here in Malaysia? Why didn't you choose to go Singapore or Hong Kong?
No, I tried first in Malaysia before I try another country in Asia.
Okay, can you help me introduce yourself, please?
I'm Rana Katipunan. I'm from Cagayan de Oro City. I'm 41 years old and I'm a single mom. I have one son.
All right, I need to know some few more details from you first. You are a single mother. How old is your son?
My son is running 21 years old.
All right, when is your birthday?
June 25, 1984.
What is your height and your weight?
My height is 5'1" and my weight is 50 kilos.
What is your religion?
I'm a Roman Catholic.
What about your educational background?
I'm a college level taking up an associate in health science education related in nursing.
All right, so how many brother and sister do you have?
I have two brothers and I'm only one girl.
What is your rank in your family?
I'm the eldest.
What about your parents? How old is your parents and what is their occupation?
Uh, my father is 60 years old, but uh, he died already. And then my mom is 67 years old. She's a household.
All right, so is your family allowed you to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
Who will going to look after your son?
My mother and
Your
my
mother.
brother.
All right. So according to you, this is not your first time working abroad, but rather than you have your first working experience in KSA. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
According to your profile, it was stated that way back 2021 to 2025, you worked in KSA for 4 years, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you share it with me? What is your job responsibilities inside the house?
My main job is to take care the 4 years old son, and then reach and bring him in school. And then sometimes I help my madam to do the household chores.
You do the house chores, cooking, laundry, and ironing.
Na ironing and laundry, cooking sometimes only because my madam only cook and then I just only assist him.
All right. So, do you have any companion inside the house or you are the only helper?
I'm the only one.
All right. So, what happened? Of course, you've been working for them for 4 years, and what comes into your mind that you decided to go back home in the Philippines and didn't continue or renewing your contract to your previous employment in KSA?
Because long times also I working there, and then I want also to see my family, especially my son, and then also the time because
Oops.
I working more than 8 hours, 16 to 17 hours.
Oh, okay. So you mean that for straight for 4 years you didn't go back home also for vacation?
I have vacation, but 1 month, 2 times like that.
Oh, okay. So, I would like to let you know that working here in Malaysia is quite different in KSA. Okay? You need to
Yeah.
expect those unexpected things because you might experience some things that you didn't experience in KSA. I just don't want later that you were going to compare Middle East and Malaysia, or you, I mean KSA or Malaysia. Hostess here is very big one. And employers here is very particular when it comes of cleanliness. I am giving you the reality of working here in Malaysia, okay? I don't want you to
Okay.
give some hope that you were going to work here like a princess or whatsoever or a, I don't know, okay? But I am giving you the reality here, yeah? So,
Yes.
are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
Yes, ma'am. I'm ready.
Can you take your children or baby while doing house chores at the same time?
Uh, First, I do first for the one for the baby duties, and then if the baby sleep, I do the household chores.
Okay, very good. So, can you take your baby?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take your elderly people?
I don't have any experience, but I think about it, ma'am.
So, is a yes or no?
Yes,
All
can.
right.
I'm willing.
So, are you comfortable to cook?
Cook, I know a little bit only, but if, maybe shortly, I know also.
So, you are willing to learn
Yeah,
you
yeah,
are willing to learn to cook some different varieties of cuisine, is it?
yes.
All right. Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
I thinking first, ma'am.
It's a
Because
yes or no. It's just a yes or
yes,
no.
yes,
So you are okay to take care.
yes.
All right. So are you comfortable taking care of pets?
Pets, small dogs.
Yeah. So are you not afraid of any kinds of pets like dogs, cats, rabbits?
Now,
So you are okay to take care of pets.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah. So being a domestic helper is not new for you, knowing that you have your working experience abroad for 4 years, right?
Yes,
And
ma'am.
you know what are the preferences to work as a domestic helper. You need to be flexible, you need to be multitasking. As you
Yes,
have
ma'am.
mentioned a while ago, you straight work for 16 hours, okay? But
Yeah,
of course, you must have some rest for 8 hours continuously, all right? But we don't have any choice, right? Because we are looking for money to sustain our family's needs. And that one we are looking for. That someone who can endure the hardships and that can continue or to finish their 2 years contract. Because you are not working here forever, right? This is
yes,
a
ma'am.
2 years contract only. And you must complete it. Otherwise, once you terminate your contract, you know that there will be a consequences, which is you need to pay your employer and at the same time with the agency as nobody forced you to come and work here in Malaysia. And you know also that any uncertain situations that might happen to your family back in the Philippines, or you cannot handle your job anymore, or we just don't know, you cannot easily go back home, right?
Yeah, yeah. I know.
Yeah, that's why I am giving you all of this because we don't want to have such a problem later. If you agree with our terms and conditions, please work properly. But if you disagree, it's fine also. You can stay in the Philippines or find job opportunities into other countries. Yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so are you aware that you cannot hold your phone for 24 hours?
Yeah, I'm willing, ma'am.
Yeah, so you cannot hold your phone for 24 hours because you are working, right?
Yeah,
You can hold it during nighttime only. After you finished your job for the
you.
whole day, and you will render your phone on the next morning before you start your work. Of course, you are entitled to have a rest once a week, but you are not allowed to go out on your rest day. This is a strictly no go out policy. If you will work on your rest day, employer will going to compensate your salary. So are you okay with our rules and regulations?
Yes, ma'am.
Remind yourself why you wanted to come and work abroad because you wanted to sustain your family's needs and you wanted to give a better future for your son also at the same time, knowing that you are a single mother. In Philippines, we can do whatever we want, we can be the boss there, but it's a different story if we work abroad. We need to humble ourselves, we need to follow the rules and regulations of the employer, and we need to respect the culture of the employer at the same time. Any problems, any concerns, inform your employer because you will be the one working inside the premises for 2 years. Yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. I think that's all for now, Rona. It was my pleasure meeting you. But please stay
Yes, yes, ma'am.
connected through WhatsApp because Globalize agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer. Okay?
Okay,
Thank
thank you,
you
Mom.
so much and have a good day. Bye.
Thank you.